Hey gearheads, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common but sometimes frustrating OBD to trouble code P010A. This code relates to your mass airflow MOF sensor, specifically indicating a problem with its circuit B. The powertrain control module PCM uses that reading to ensure proper fuel delivery at any given time for optimum power and fuel efficiency. OBD code P010A means that there is a detected problem with the mass airflow MAF sensor or circuit. If your car has the P010D code, you might notice check engine light is on, rough idling or stalling, reduced acceleration, poor fuel economy. If you're experiencing any of these, it's time to diagnose the issue. A dirty or contaminated MAF sensor, wiring issues, vacuum leaks, intake system leaks, less commonly, ECU issues. MAP sensors are located between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAP sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around the wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAP sensor cleaner onto the wire, perpendicular to the ground, so that it won't damage the MAP sensor. Reinstall the MAP sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Use an OBD to scanner to clear the trouble code. Take your vehicle for a test drive to see if the code returns. Pay attention to how the engine is performing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance and troubleshooting tips. Let us know in the comments if you've dealt with the P010A code and what your experience was. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.